Switch.
possible that it did do it.
Switch.
It's
If you feel that's a little too challenging, Kate's going to show you how you can step it. Here we go. Left foot in front. 3, 2, 1. We go down. Switch. This is not a race. Take these at your own pace. Breathe. And keep going. Let's look at Kate.
There we go, another 10 foot.
So,
Awesome.
you see she's got just a tiny
What do you
little hop
want?
to this. Still working those legs just as hard. Heart rate still going up. If at any point you start to fail out and your legs start to burn,
Maybe.
do what Kate's doing. Do 4, 5, 6 reps of it, and then you can jump back in. Nice, Mike. Perfect. Again, form is always the most important thing, you guys. Here's the deal. Really, at the end of the day, working out is hard. Yes. Being unhappy with your health and your fitness is hard. Yes. So really, you're just going to pick your hard workout or being unhappy. Pick your workout, fight through it, because guess what? You're going to end up happy with your results. We're almost there. 4, 3, 2,